Today we're going to look at finding the slope from 2 points. The most important question you have to ask yourself after you draw your 2 points is the slope positive or negative? Too often students do all of the work correct, but they forget to ask this question positive or negative and they get it wrong because they have the wrong sign. After we know if our slope is positive or negative, we have to calculate the rise over the run. Just to review real quick, a graph with a positive slope is going to increase from left to right. And a graph with a negative slope is going to go down from left to right. Let's go ahead and practice this. Find the slope of the line that passes through 3, 5 and negative 1, 1. First thing we do is draw our line through. Is this positive or negative? It is positive. Very good. Now I'm going to draw my rise. So I could either make my rise right here, or actually I could make my rise right here. It doesn't matter which one you do. Both are correct. If I made my rise over here, I make my run here or my run here. Now we're going to use what I call loopties. We make a loopty for every box. So let's count how many loopties we got. 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 loopties on my rise and 1, 2, 3, 4 loopties on my left. So to calculate my slope, I have a rise of 4 and a run of 4, which when that reduces, we get a positive 1. So my slope is 1. Let's say you drew your triangle the other way. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 loopties and 1, 2, 3, 4 loopties. So I would still have a rise of 4 and a run of 4. Let's try another one. Find the slope of the line that passes through 1, negative 3 and negative 3, 3. Let's draw a line through them. That is a negative slope. Let's make my rise and my run. Let's count my loopties. 1 per box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a rise of 6. Let's count my loopties. 1, 2, 3, 4. A run of 4. So my slope is negative 6 over 4. If you can reduce that in your head, that's great. If you cannot, you can always go to your calculator and type in negative 6 over 4, and you would see that your slope is negative 3 halves. Find the slope of the line that passes through 6, 3 and has an x-intercept of 2. So it crosses the x-axis at 2. Draw my line through it. That is a positive slope. Create my rise and create my run. Let's count my rise. 1, 2, 3 loopties. And my run. 1, 2, 3, 4 loopties. We can put this in the calculator to make sure it cannot reduce. I get 3/4 back out, so my slope is 3/4. Find the slope of the line that passes through negative 3, 3 and has a y-intercept of negative 4. I draw my line through, and this is a negative slope. Let's create my rise and my run. Let's count my rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my run. 1, 2, 3. Let's double check if that can be simplified. Negative 7 over 3. gives me negative 7 thirds. So my slope is negative 7 thirds.